In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up phone number login for your Shopify store. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From here, you are going to open your store settings. Look for Settings, then go into Customer Accounts. This area controls how customers create an account and how they sign in, so it is the right place to make changes to login options. Once you are inside Customer Accounts, find and click Edit. This opens the configuration screen where you can choose the customer account experience you want to use. Take a moment to read what is currently selected, because switching account types can change what customers see at checkout and in their account area. Next, select Customer Accounts. When you choose this option, Shopify uses a passwordless login flow. That means customers do not create or remember a password. Instead, when they try to log in, they enter their email address, and Shopify sends them a one-time code. They use that code to access their account. This approach is not SMS-based by default, but it still accomplishes a similar goal. It makes signing in simpler for customers and can reduce password-related support issues, while also improving security. After you enable customer accounts, it is a good idea to understand what customers will experience. They will see a clean login screen, enter their email, and then check their inbox for the code. Encourage customers to use an email they can access quickly and remind them to check spam or promotions folders if they do not see the message right away. Finally, allow users to link their phone number to existing Google or Facebook accounts. This helps customers connect their phone number to an account they already use, which can speed up sign-in and reduce friction, especially for returning customers. It also helps keep their profile information consistent across login methods. Once you have made your selections, confirm the settings on the page so your changes are applied. After that, your store is set up for a modern, passwordless customer login experience, with the option for customers to associate a phone number through connected social accounts. And that is all there is to it.